after school kids, and welcome back to another day of experiments with Miss Myers. Today's science experiment is only going to involve a few ingredients, and most of them you can find out at home. So you're going to need an empty bottle, water, canola oil, Alka-Seltzer, and food coloring. Can anyone tell me what you think might happen when we get all of these ingredients together? Ooh, those are some great thoughts. So let's create a hypothesis out of those thoughts. So if I include all of these ingredients, then this is going to happen. What do we think? Oh, those are some great hypotheses. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your bottle, fill it up with some water. I want to do this by the sink so that way if I spill it, it doesn't go all over the floor. And you just want to fill it up to like right there. And then you're going to take your vegetable oil and add some in there. Just about there. You want to fill it up, make it look nice, but at the same time, not all the way up to the top. Now, you're going to take your food coloring. I chose blue. You can choose whatever color you want. And just add a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I always like to end things on an even number. All right, and then you're going to break into your Alka-Seltzer. Take scissors to open it. You're only going to need 1 tablet. Do not stick this in your mouth. And I have to break it because it doesn't fit in. But if you see, it's creating a lava lamp. Do you see that? It's all the particles going up from the food coloring. How cool is that? So you could try this at home and make your own lava lamp. If you kept the top part of your bottle, then you could keep it. Sometimes if you have like a lamp that goes underneath, you can also shine it through. Something really cool that you could do at home. So if you try these ingredients at home and you try this experiment, let me know how it goes. Let me know what colors you used or how you did it and how you would do it differently. And watch, it still continues on. It will continue on until that dye is gone. Then that could be days, weeks. So let me know how long it lasts. And I cannot wait to see your guys' experiments. Please let me know your thoughts on Padlet or on Flipgrid. Bye guys. Have a great night.